Hey everybody, not a sushi chef. Today we have an amazing recipe that I've just kind of dreamed up. I actually threw scallops into the mix. I went to our fish market and bought some fresh scallops, and I'm actually going to cook those and then see what we can do with them. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you will have a great recipe that you can cook with your friends and family. We already got our rice cooking. This should be done here shortly, and we're going to go ahead and get everything started. Also, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subs so I can make a lot more great videos for you guys. Let's get started. pretty much it. I forgot to show y'all, I did actually add crunchy back on top of it because I actually turned the camera off. But here's the mess I'm making in the background. But it was fun to make, it looks good. I want to try it and see how good it is actually, but this is the first time, like I said, this may not be any good, this may be horrible. But we're gonna try it. It's actually pretty good. I like the scallops, they're a little bit different. Sorry, trying not to talk in my mouth full. But yeah, this is very good, very fun. Sushi, I love sushi because sushi has such a wide variety of things you can make. You can literally, I've seen cooked sushi before, people put like chicken and stuff inside sushi. So many different things you can do. This is just something I was thinking about sitting around, but we tried it, it was really good. Wasn't too hard to make, didn't take too long to prepare for it, and it didn't actually cost that much either. I think the scallops were like $10. But other than that, this is all stuff that you should have at the house anyways with your rice and with everything else. But the panko breadcrumbs are really cheap. But thank you guys for watching. If you will, please like and subscribe because I'm really trying to get up there and so I can make better videos for you guys. And it takes a while to get to 1,000 subs, but if you could, it would mean so much to me. It would really help the channel out. Like and subscribe. But please join us on the next journey. Thank you.